In today's video, I am going to teach you how to explore a shipwreck in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. The first thing you need to do is find a shipwreck. Shipwrecks usually generate in ocean biomes, along beaches, or underwater near the seafloor. As you travel, look for wooden structures sticking out of the water, partly buried in sand or resting fully underwater. Some shipwrecks are easy to spot from the surface, while others are tilted, broken apart, or hidden below the waves. If you are exploring by boat, move slowly and scan the water carefully so you do not pass one by. Before you go inside, make sure you are ready for the conditions around the wreck. If the shipwreck is underwater, it helps to bring tools that let you stay submerged longer and breathe safely. Doors can create a temporary air pocket in some situations, and water-breathing potions are one of the best options for longer searches. Respiration gear is also very useful because it extends the time you can spend underwater. If the area is deep or dark, you may also want to be careful of hostile mobs and low visibility while searching. Once you reach the shipwreck, begin checking every section of it. Shipwrecks can have multiple rooms, and the layout may be damaged or partly blocked by sand, gravel, or water flow. Move slowly through the structure and inspect each level carefully. Look for chests tucked into corners, behind broken walls, or inside lower compartments. Some shipwrecks contain only one chest, while others can have several, so it is worth searching the entire wreck before you leave. When you find the loot chests, collect the useful items inside. Common rewards include iron ingots, emeralds, food, armor, paper, and maps. One of the most valuable finds is a buried treasure map. If you get one, keep it in your inventory because it can lead you to another chest hidden elsewhere. Supply chests can also give you resources that help with future exploration, especially early in a survival world. From there, you can continue exploring nearby oceans and beaches for more structures, or you can follow the buried treasure map if you found one. Exploring shipwrecks is a simple way to collect valuable loot and discover more of the world. That covers everything you need to know.